Hi, my name is Jason. I am the founder of Swequity and this YouTube channel. Hopefully, something comes of it. Um, the video you're about to see is how to saber a bottle for champagne and celebration. So I thought, what better way to celebrate my first video than make one about how the coolest way to open a champagne bottle. I hope you enjoy. The first step is you have to get the top of the bottle cold. You don't want to freeze the bottle because I learned the hard way. When you freeze the bottle, it shatters it when you try to saber it. So what I like to do is put ice water in a bowl. Mostly water, or mostly ice with a little bit of water. It kind of helps get better contact on the bottle. And then I go on to the next steps. So you gotta have it in the ice for 15 minutes, upside down, because like I said, you don't want to freeze the whole bottle. You just want the neck to be brittle. And ice is the way to do that. All right, some things to look for when you're looking for a bottle to saber. One is you want one with a metal cage. And the reason being, if it has the metal cage, it's gonna hold the cork in. So when you go to strike the bottle, you may actually, if the cage isn't there, you may actually just shoot the cork out, and that kind of defeats the whole purpose. So I suggest you go, when you're trying to learn this, I suggest you go cheap. I got Bellator. What you want to do is you want to find the crease. So I've got it here. You want to hold the bottle back, and same thing. You want to try and get a 30-degree angle, and be sure and leave the cage on. That way you can, it holds the cork in, and you don't just knock the cork out. So here we go. 1, 2, and sometimes it takes a couple times. 1, 2, and that did not work worth a shit. So I think I might have over chilled them. So sometimes when you do that, the bottle just gets more brittle and difficult to do. So that attempt was not successful, and I think what I did was putting the bottle in ice water made it too brittle. I think you probably don't need to have it as cold as what I did, and then that caused it to go ahead and break elsewhere other than just the neck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a video at the end of me successfully doing this. I've done it several times. What I've done now is just put enough water and ice in this Yeti to cover up the cork, essentially. So now we're just waiting for the 15 minutes. All right, so the bottle has been soaking for about 15 minutes in the ice water, just up to about like here, just below the cork. So now we're gonna find the seam. There it is. And we're going to see if we can do this the right way. And there we go. All right, so you just saw the video on how to saber a champagne bottle, the coolest way to open champagne and celebrate. It's a cool trick to show your friends. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and click the subscribe button and post a comment saying what you would like to have me show you what to do. Either I know it or I will find out how to do it, and then I will post a video on how